Dear viewers, how are you? We are fine. Today we'll show you three type of three building slab rod binding prepare for casting. Now we start our video. Dear viewers, now we show you a beam column joint and beam rod, and we'll see the support of the outer shutter of the beam is okay, so no problem. And we also check this slab thickness, beam depth, beam column joint, reinforcement of beam, spacing of slab reinforcement, clear cover, and all over we check is okay. This is a utility building of a factory which is a two-storied building, and the clear height of the building per floor is 20 feet. This is our challenging job in our company because of the double shutter, and also this building this is our another building, main factory building, which is floor area is 24,000 square feet, and 6-storied RCC building. Now we are checking also this floor. It's okay, no problem. This slab is also ready for casting, and we are checking all over the work is okay. And our project engineer, assistant project engineer, is completing this job in time. We also ordered ready mix for casting. In this project, maximum of the RCC casting will completed by ready mix. And this building RCC concrete compressive strength is 4,500 psi, and which is because of the factory building. This is stair side. Our worker is working here. In this building we completed three type of phase. One phase is open area, first and second floor, and we casting in this floor three part. First part completed 12,000 square feet, and the next part will do the next part after the casting after 10 days later. And the third phase will completed staging work, and the part of this floor will casting. This portion our worker is binding the rod. They are last finishing work for the casting. Dear viewers, here our engineers are checking the floor and discuss the next program, how they start our casting and when they start our casting and end. There is okay, thank you. And we also check this floor there is no trouble. Okay, now we see the void area which is constructed the next phase after this flow casting. This area is double height. Clear height is 13 plus 13 equal 26 feet. Dear viewers, this is also a big building. This is also another building. This is KNITWEAR building. Per floor area 13,500 square feet. This building, the last slab means roof slab is about to ready. We are laying our floors reinforcement. Short reaction, main reinforcement are laying firstly, and they are maintain their joint, and there some worker are preparing the sheet, and some worker are binding and placement of beam rod. There are worker binding slab rod, and this portion the worker checking the beam and slowly replace the beam rod, placing the beam frame. Dear viewers, we are working too much fast in this area because our next Eid festival is knocking at the door, and we also complete our slab, so we work so much fast. We see there is sheet is rust with fresh and cleaning, and also white oil for clean surface of the concrete. And we see this roof beam column joint, the column rod, vertical rod extension up to 2 feet 3 feet extra rod. We will this rod bending and provide laying in the slab. Thank you viewers for viewing this video.